Yeah, hi. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will cover another important section of GATE 2026 architecture syllabus, that is building services and sustainability. This is a very practical part of the syllabus that directly connect with real life building design and functionality. And yes, I'm also teaching this in detail in my Safal Together classes where we cover architecture topics with example, notes and practice questions. This section began with the solar architecture creating comfort in building. Thermal comfort, visual comfort and acoustic comfort are all included. It also covers natural and mechanical ventilation system along with air conditioning system. You can expect these kind of question like which passive design strategy is more effective for reducing heat gain in hot and dry climate. Then in sustainable building strategies, energy efficient building design, building performance simulation and evaluation, concept of intelligent buildings where automation, sensor and smart energy management are applied. So be ready for the questions like what does a building management system BMS control in an intelligent building, like that. Then in building services, then in building services of any building, this part covers the core service of a building like water supply, sewage and drainage system, sanitary fitting and fixture, plumbing, plumbing system, electrification, which also include electrification of building, standard safety and design principle, vertical transportation system like elevators and escalators, their standard and use. You can expect these kind of question like what is the minimum number of elevator required in a high rise residential building of 15 floors with 120 units, like that. So to prepare it effectively, use building services by SC Rangwala or relevant architecture services notes, revise IS code and NBC basics for services like fire safety, elevators and plumbing. Make sure a simple flowchart and diagram like water supply layout, drainage connection or elevator arrangement. Solve previous year gate question because many are repeated in this concept. Focus on sustainability, solar architecture and intelligent building. These are emerging topics and are often asked as conceptual questions. So that was a complete breakdown of building services and sustainability in GATE 2026 AR. If you want to study this with examples, case study and problem solving session, you can join me at Safal Together where I am teaching the complete architecture part. You will learn the top mentors and also practice with real exam style question. Thank you so much.